Good morning, students. Up till now, we have seen the different ways by using which children are going to school. Now, here are a few another examples that are used by students to go to school. Means it is not like that. They are not going to school because easy comfort is not there. Now, here we can see Vallam. Vallam is a wooden boat which is used by children in Kerala to reach the school. Actually, fishermen uses the boat for the purpose of fishing, but here to cross the lake, to cross the water bodies, or to cross the river, this wooden boat is used by children in Kerala, in some parts of Kerala, and this boat is known as Vallam. Now here second picture, in this second picture we can see the camel cart. Camel cart, as everyone know, we can see camels in Rajasthan, and in Rajasthan there is a sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in camel cart to reach the school. Now here these students are using the camel cart. This is a cart which is carried by the camel, and it is used to reach the school by these children. Everyone know camel is ship of desert. I have written here few points for the purpose of reference to you all. Camel is known as sheep of desert. They can drink up to 46 liter of water in one drinking. They can live several months without water also, and without food also. Means like that characteristics or like that features the camels are having in the desert. They can live several months without water. Camels' feet are wide and long, so they can walk easily in sand. And that's why these camels are very useful in desert, because as their feet are wide, see here, their feet are wide and their legs are long, and because of it, easily without sinking in the sand, these camels can walk easily in the desert, and this cart is used by these students to go to school. Now next one is bullock cart. Now we all love to travel in the bullock cart, bailgadi savari. Everyone like it, and in villages also it is familiar for us. Village in the plains where proper roads are not there, they use bullock carts, or no facility of other vehicle is there, they use the bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. It is too sunny or raining. We use our umbrellas. If the day is too sunny or if the day is too rainy, they are using bullock cart. Okay. Now here in this picture we can see these girls are riding on bicycle. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. घर से स्कूल बहुत दूर होने की वजह से these girls were not going to school because their school was too far. But now, groups of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Means now they made a group of 7 to 8 girls, and they are having their own bicycles, and they make the group of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Unity, because of all girls are going together. Okay, now Jugad. In this picture, Jugad is shown. Now, what is this? Look at our special transport. What a vehicle. It looks very funny also. and the children look, they are very happy. It sounds foot, foot, foot when it runs. See, is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. लाकडी फळ्यांनी बनलेलं आहे ही गाडी. Means, and this cart is carried with the help of bike. Half of the portion is look like bike and half of the portion is made of wooden planks, and the children are crossing the road or passing the road with the help of this name as jugad. Okay, but the carriage at the back is made out of wooden planks. You can underline this word. Planks means these are the wooden plain wood, and by using which half part of this cart is made or vehicle is made. Okay, students. Now next is children cross the jungle. Now, as we have seen, so many difficulties are there for going to school out of many children. We saw how they cross the water bodies. We saw how they cross the sand also, how they go through the sand also, how they use camel cart, bullock cart. Now forests are also there. Now children are crossing the jungle. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. At some places it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sound of different birds and other creatures. Now in jungle there are so many creatures, but see how the children are brave and how they are crossing the school. One by one they are going. Few people are also there with them, and in front of it children are there to cross the school. This is the jungle, and from which children are going to school. Means this is another thing. Now look at this picture. Moving on the snow. How children moving on the snow to go to school. Means everyone loves to go to school, and how they are going to school in spite of the obstacles. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. Means बहुत distance snow का पार कर जाते हैं. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. Now see, if the snow is soft, their feet are sinking. Sinking म्हणजे काय? असं त्या बर्फामध्ये पाय खोचले जातात. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. आणि जेव्हा फ्रोझन असतं त्यावेळेला त्यांचे पाय घसरतात. Have you ever seen so much snow? Have you ever seen so much snow? Where? In films or somewhere else? If you have traveled there, if you have traveled at Jammu or Kashmir, there you can see the snow everywhere. And or in films also you have seen or we have seen. Now here in Uttarakhand, rocky paths are there. In this picture, rocky म्हणजे फक्त खडकाळ प्रदेश. Rocky paths are also there. We live in the mountains. Those children who are living in the mountains, the paths are rocky and uneven. Rocky म्हणजे खडकाळ. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these. आपल्यासारख्या मुलांना तिथे नेऊन जर सोडलं तर आपण हे असं रोज चालत जाऊ का स्कूलला? No. Means we feel it difficult because we do not have practice of it. We know to sit behind our dad or in the school bus. आपल्याला ती माहिती आहे आपल्या मुलांना की बाबांच्या मागे बसायचं आणि मज्जा करत जायचं. हे एवढ्या डिफिकल्टीज पार केलेल्या आहेत का कधी? The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these, but we can easily rest up and down. Now they are habitual with this kind of practice. They rest up with everyone, with each other, and easily they up and go up and down. Understood, students? Today I have explained many ways. This is a rocky path. Once again I will revise. This is rocky path. This is a snowy path, going on through the snow or moving on the snow. This is children cross the jungle. This is one example of the vehicle named as Jugaad and is used in Gujarat. This is the wonderful bicycle ride. This is the bullock cart ride and children are using bullock cart to go to the school in villages. This is the camel cart used by children to go to school, as camel is the ship of desert and it can walk in sand very easily, and it is used in Rajasthan. We can see the picture of Vallam used in Kerala to reach to the school. Vallam is a wooden boat used by children to cross the water bodies, river, lake or water bodies.